Navigating the Kanega Watch user menu. This video will show you how to access the Kanega Watch user menu. Press the crown button one time at the clock face and you will see the date. Press the crown button 2 times at the date screen to access the user menu. The information screen shows battery levels and the most recent check-in data. Advance to the user menu by pressing the crown button once at each display. The user menu allows you to customize the clock face, volume, brightness, and listening indicator. You can select commands to get the security code to access your Kanega Wear portal, update watch settings prior to the next check-in, enable or disable airplane mode, or repeat the tutorial. To change a feature, such as the clock face, press the crown button 2 times at each option until you reach the desired selection. The last display will be selected. You do not need to press the crown button again to confirm your choice. After 15 seconds, the display will return to your selected clock face. For full watch functionality, see your user guide for step-by-step instructions.